Has this ever happened to you? Have you ever had elements disappear in your design? And we just can't bring it to the front. Have you ever added elements and just couldn't arrange them properly? Today, we're going to learn how to fix this problem. Welcome to our channel Creative with Technology. Today, we'll learn how to work with layers in Canva. Click on the three dots. Layers. Send backward choice. Send the element one layer back. But there is still elements in the front. Let's apply on this element. Here that worked because the two elements are placed on layers right next to each other. But sometimes, things get confusing when there are too many elements, and we can't tell their order. Let's try the Send to Back option. This moves the element to the very back layer, behind everything else. So, when we can't arrange the elements properly, let's go to the Position option. Here, we can see a list of all the elements. The elements are stacked in order. The first one at the top is placed in the front layer. This helps us understand which element is on top, and which ones are behind. From here, we can move elements forward, backward, or send them all the way to the back. And just like that, everything's in order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe in our channel.